Hi guys, so today I'm going to be frying some dumplings and I'm going to be steaming some cabbage and saltfish, so stay tuned for that. Here I've done my dough and yeah, let's do this. So whilst the oil is hotting up, I'll just roll my dumplings ready to go in the oil. So I'll just roll them. So I'm just placing the dumplings in the hot oil. So there you go. And just give them a little, you know, like a donut hole in the middle. Not too much. Like that. Okay. You see this slowly rising. So I'll just put as much because they're not that big. So there you go, they're frying, and I'll just turn them when they get this golden color. There you go, it's beautiful. So I'll just turn them like that. So as you can see, most of them are already brown. So the ones that are fully brown and cooked, I will just put them to the side, make space for the others. So there you go, it's a small one. There you go. I'm gonna just put this in there. Make some more space. I think I can put another small one in there. Like this. So I'll make a little space here and I'll put that in there. So you know, you've got a lot of them cooking at once. So you know, don't take that long. There you go. Beautiful. You see these beautiful colors. Okay. So now it's time to prepare my cabbage, and I've washed it, so I'm gonna cut it up. So now I'm gonna cut up my cabbage. You know, decent size or to your desire, really. You can see I like my cabbage crunchy, so I think I'm happy with that amount, really. So yeah, I'm happy with that amount. So now I'm going to fry my saltfish and just going to put my vegetable. I'll put these first. Now just give it a stir. So now I'm going to add my saltfish. See? Just put it in. And then I'll just give it a stir. And allow it to, you know, fry for a bit. Then I'll add my cabbage. So I'll just allow that to fry for a bit. So I'm happy with this. So I've added some black pepper and some garlic powder, and now I'm gonna add my cabbage. See? Add my cabbage. And then I'll just give it a stir gently and let everything just blend in. So you just mix it and you just bring the saltfish and the onion and everything and let it incorporate it and let it just stay there and steam. Something like that. You know, see everything blending in slowly. Beautiful color. Yeah. A delicious breakfast or brunch and even dinner, to be honest. You can have this. Yes, I'm happy with that right now. So what I'll do, I'll place the lid over that and allow it to simmer or steam for maximum 7 to 8 minutes. So now I'm happy to take this off and just dish it out. Ready to go. All done. Plate here. So there you have it. Steamed cabbage, fry up saltfish, and fried dumpling. Have it for brunch, lunch, breakfast, whatever. Delicious. A hot cup of chocolate tea, coffee, or just plain tea, or any other tea, anything you want really. You can have that. So hope you like it. Enjoy.